guys, welcome back to our channel Motor Beast. Please subscribe and press the bell icon for the more updates.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Motor Beast. As you can get from the thumbnail, this is going to be all new BS6 Suzuki Ignis. This is a facelift and all new refinable engine. So first is first, let's open the engine lid. So this is a petrol engine, very silent and 1.2 liter engine. This is, and battery placement is here. There is no diesel engines on this offer, and you get a automatic and manual transmission on offer. And this is the installation, nice installation of all the Nexa cars, and engine boot is very heavy. Build quality is very nice, and sprinklers on the engine lid. And coming to the first is first, these are the headlights. So see the LED running DRL, very nice LEDs on this offer, and projected setup, very massive projected setup, and halogens of indicators, and fog lamps are massive, and position of the fog lamps is exactly correct, and the position of the fog lamps is nice, and plastic finish of the fog lamps, and it looked like a XL6 position. And coming to the front, see the chrome treatment of grill, very nice done, and U shapes of 4 grills and Suzuki badge at the center. Number plate placement is there, silver treatment below the word. And coming to the side, here you can see the again plastic treatment on the side. It's a fake air vent, and it's look like retro design. And coming to the side, these are the tires, and gloss black finish of tire profile, alloy wheels, and gloss black finish of alloy wheels. And the design is very nice, same design carried from the front grill, and alloy wheels also carried the same. Lot of these designs has been carried into the many places. And the profile of the tire is 175, 65, 15 inches, and alloy wheels. So tubeless tires, and the disc size is massive enough. So there you can see the space between the shock absorbers and the body level and the tire level. So this is a side profile. There you can see the cuts on the body, so sharp cut, and these are the side view mirrors are nice, and LEDs on side view mirror indicators. So keyless entry vehicle, and door handles are same design of all the Nexas, and roof rails are very nice done, and silver treatment of that. And see the back windows are very nice. See the look design of the windows are very unique and attractive design. So this is a side profile, and same tire, and completely rolling the plastic treatment towards the body roll towards down, and see the reflectors down, very attractive look. And this is a rear profile, and Suzuki badge at the center, Nexa written here. Rear wiper and spoiler is very nice on offer, very sharp now. And see the attractive of the spoiler, very nice. And there you can see the antenna of new antennas. So Ignis written there, Suzuki badge very big in the backside, and number plate placement, sensors as given there, and the camera is setup is here. All the placements of Nexa vehicle is placement is camera is here only. And tail lights are very nice, and no LEDs on tail lights, and only halogens, disappointing. And all the LEDs of treatment in the tail light. And this is a fuel lid is very nice, and see the 3 lines on the offer of the C pillar. I mean, it's not a C pillar, C body of pillar. So this is a rear door, and the black and white finish of rear door is very nice of attractive look, and 1 liter water bottle holder, and speaker on offer, and chrome finish of door handles, and holder is in the white treatment. And this is a rear profile seat, white stitches on the white treatment on the black seat covers or leather treatment is very nice on this car, and very attractive, and 3 people will easily sit and travel. So let's get inside the vehicle. So this is a rear seat, and the support is massive. Knee room is also massive, completely pushed back towards back, and that is completely pushed back towards front. Headroom is also massive enough. And coming to here, there are 2 headrests, no adjustable headrest, very nice. And the disappointing is no center armrest on offer. So seats are very nice, comfort is very nice. So the length of the seat, this part should be some more better at the front. And see the stitches on the red treatment, very nice and attractive look at the interior, and black treatment with the red stitches are very nice. There you can see the space, and holder is given there. holder is given there and with adjustable. So here you can see the no AC vents there, and this is premium hatchback I can say, and with one cup holder. So this is the dashboard from the rear. Very nice, very unique design, completely new look of design in this Ignis. So Suzuki Nexa has done. Now let's go to front and see what are the features are there in this car. So these are the doors at the front, power window buttons here, chrome finish of door handle. See the front door holders, very nice, and silver finish of glass, silver smooth finish of holders, very nice, and it's look like rot treatment. And these are the side view mirror adjustable, and tweeters are given here. So this is a dashboard design from at the front and Suzuki badge at the center. So coming to the first is first, here you can see no center armrest and with handbrake, and this is a manual transmission of gear lever, very nice unique design. These are twin cup holders with some space. This is a GoPro camera of mine. This is auto climate control inside the vehicle, and these look like retro design of the vehicle. So see the AC vents design, very nice, and the operator of this AC auto climate control is very nice and very attractive unique design. And this is Apple CarPlay of 10-inch touchscreen and on-road auto. So app connectivity of Suzuki also done in this 10-inch touchscreen. Same touchscreen in all the vehicles of Nexa and Brezza also. So I have done already the vlog on this S-Cross. So please go and check the video. So of this touchscreen, audio system is massive. So audio quality is now very nice and massive enough of all the 4 speakers on offer at the doors. And see the AC vents design, completely the interior look of this design and exterior also completely unique and fresh look from the Nexa has given. And AC vents design on the chrome treatment of AC vents. And coming to the glove box, small size of glove box, easily it will be all the documents of the vehicle and hold to keep some stuff to space. And airbag at the front at the dashboard is very clean and calm design. So this is the steering feel. So holding of the steering is also very nice. From this silver treatment of steering is very sporty feeling, and Suzuki badge at the center. These are the controls for the audio infotainment system. So this is the instrument cluster, very sporty. See the lighting inside the instrument cluster, very nice and unique design. Center as a speedometer, RPM meter at the left side, and small digital meter in the right side. Now this instrument cluster has changed to come from the S-Cross to this. So in this all the information will be range, fuel indication, odometer, trip A, trip B, temperature, time, etc. A lot of information on that instrument cluster digital meter. So all the information has been fixed in the small digital and new look of instrument cluster also we can say. So coming to here you can see the trip meter to set up from here on the infotainment system. Instrument cluster of infotainment system can handle from here, and brightness of the instrument cluster can check from increase and decrease of the instrument cluster. And these are the AC vents round at the sides, and this lever is for wipers, and this lever is for obviously lights and the indicators. So nothing much to say. Engine start stop button given in the right side. All the Nexa vehicle has given engine start stop button at the right side only. High beam level of lights are given here. So this is the interior video. So friend, here you can see the rear seat, very comfortable and very unique design. So leather seats are very nice on this car. So auto dimming inside missing out, and lights are given here, mic is given here. Here you can see mirror with no light and no mirror with no light, only tool receipts holder has given. So this is a black and white combination of dashboard, very nice and unique design. So changeover of the Suzuki Nexa has done after a long time. We are seeing Ignis is very unique, and this is a walk around video and interior. Let's go to test drive and see. If you like the video, please give thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon, follow me on Instagram, link in the description. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video guys.